We've just spent the last 2 weeks conducting physical and financial due diligence on a Class A multifamily asset. It's 292 units in Greenwood, Indiana. The property is called Flats at Stones Crossing. My name is Spencer Gray. I'm the president and CEO of Gray Capital, and I wanted to give you a quick update of where we are in the process and why we are even more excited about this latest investment opportunity. All right, first off, the entire team was on site along with our inspectors, walking every single unit of the property, going over the amenities, the clubhouse to see what could be wrong with the property, but also fine-tuning our business plan and seeing what we're going to do once we take ownership of the property and we start managing it ourselves. We just got our inspection reports back, and I am happy to report that it came back extremely clean. Really, the only two repairs that we're going to need to do is add one curb cut at the parking lot and then a small masonry repair at the trash compactor. These are small potatoes in the overall project, something that we can easily be able to accomplish. Now, we're still dotting the last few I's and crossing the T's, but so far things are looking really good. In terms of the financial audit, things are looking attractive at Flats at Stones Crossing. When we last spoke, the property was occupied at 94%. When we got their last June rent roll, the property had increased occupancy to 95%. Then when we were on site today, speaking to the on-site team, occupancy has actually increased up to 96%, a really good trend, especially as we're at the end of the summer and leasing has started to slow down. Not only are we 96% occupied, the property has stopped offering concessions. Now, this is a new Class A property. You know, there's been a lot of supply that's come on the market. So it's exciting to see that they have actually just stopped offering concessions, showing that they don't need to, that there's demand in the market. And when you're 96% occupied, you really don't need to offer those types of incentives. The last piece is we're fine-tuning our business plan and finding additional ways to add revenue to the property. One way which we're doing that is going to be adding 7 furnished units offering as Airbnb and corporate rentals. At other assets which we've done this, we've achieved monthly premiums essentially at $1,000 per unit. We're also adding 16 private fenced-in yards on first floor units. These are great amenities for residents who have pets or small kids, essentially extending the floor plan of their unit itself. We're going to be targeting $100 premiums on those 16 units. So when people ask, how do you add value at a Class A property? Well, certainly it's our ability to manage it better, bring in our technology and our systems at Gray Residential, but we're also finding those opportunities to increase the quality of life for residents at site, to show that there's true value, and whether it's those private yards or getting the additional revenue from those short-term rental Airbnb units. We're really excited about this property. Things are shaping up really well, and there is still a little bit of time to participate if you're interested in investing. So if you're an accredited investor, highly recommend that you get on the Gray Capital investment portal, check out the deck, and in fact, we have just uploaded a ton of due diligence documents for you to start going through yourself. So not only go through the underwriting, but go through some of those inspection reports yourself. Again, just an example of how transparent Gray Capital is. We want to partner with you, allow you to be essentially take a passenger seat drive along with us as we acquire this asset together. All right, so get on the Gray Capital portal, check out Flats at Stones Crossing, and make your commitment while there still is room available. And my name is Spencer Gray, the president of Gray Capital. Thanks for watching this video, and I'm looking forward to partnering with you on Flats at Stones Crossing.